Jai Jinesh. So here we are in the process of producing rangoli colors using rice flour, and we'll be making beautiful rangoli shortly with all these colors. So now they all are air drying here, and I'm going to show you how I made it. So this is the green color I'm preparing. Mix it, mix it, mix it. And the beauty of these colors are, just like regular colors, when we mix two colors and a third different color comes up, similarly you can try a lot of combinations with these colors. But you also have to keep in mind that a chemistry is also going along with it. But you can try, and beautiful colors and shades will come up by mixing different colors. Now here, this color is slightly different from that one. This is the one I used red kale in it. So the idea is same. We take a little bit of water and put veggies or fruits, whatever thing that we want color from, and let it boil, and then we let it cool it down, then blend it, and then filter it. So the process is quite simple, and we get beautiful homemade colors. This one color can be used for making sweets, which is good for our health. Then we can make it using gift items like the art and craft products that we need. Then we can make rangoli out of it that we are already making right now. So the stitch of colors made in less than 10 minutes can give so much of color to our whatever we are doing, right? Our sweets, our rangoli making, we'll be making bandarwal, and that will be using sea salt for glitters. So all will be created out of these colors. So thank you. Jai Jinendra.